Welcome back again. In this tutorial again, we are going to talk about links again because we need it. That's why we are talking about it. Today, we are going to talk about something about button as a link, using button as a link. To use an HTML button as a link, you have to add some JavaScript code. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens at certain events, such as a click of a button. Example, button on click. You will use button element. After the button tag, you will use what? You will use onClick attribute from HTML. This onClick attribute is from HTML. You can, when you use this onClick attribute from HTML, you will now find the property you want to use from JavaScript. This is the property we want to use from JavaScript to be able to send us to this wow.html website. So now when you click on this HTML tutorial from the button link, it's going to take us to wow.html. Let me quickly describe this and let you know how it works quickly. Let's create our button. Here is where we stopped the other time. So here we want to use what? Button. So after the button, let's save it and reload our document to see what will happen. See, when you click this display button directly, if it's on the a tag what we use, it will never display anything yet. On ahead we put text, but when we use button, it will display this button here. So now let's write something. What did we say we want to use? We want to use one attribute from HTML, which is on click attribute from HTML. After that, we want to do what? We want to use another property, one property from JavaScript, which is document.location from is a property from JavaScript. Let's use document.location from JavaScript. Now you notice one thing. When we want to write our CSS that time, we say if you want to, let's say for instance, you want to write your CSS, you want to write CSS, we will say style. We use colon, double colon. The same thing goes here. Now we don't use star here, we use only on click, and that is where it stopped. But this one we are using JavaScript. Now we are using when you want to use JavaScript attribute, this one meant for what? For CSS, and this one now is meant for JavaScript. For you to use this document.location property from JavaScript, you have to specify something again. You have to press is equal to and single quote, double single quote. Everything you write in must be inside this single quote. If you write double quote, it never work. Let's write double quote so you can see what we show. Can you see it shows error? It shows error. And when you put wow.html here, it will never work. Let's save our document and reload it. Now we have reloaded our document. Let's click. You see, nothing happens. So, but you have to place this inside what? Inside single quote. Inside this single quote, when you write the single quote like this, inside the single quote, you must write something. You must write wow.html. When you save your document and come back to the document and reload it, when you reload it, you press it to take you to wow. You see wow, it works. When you come back again, let's do another thing again. Here you must, when you write a name here, click. You can write whatever you want here so that it can display something, so that the button can display. Can you see now? When you now click it, it works. It still works the same, and you can style it. In the future tutorial, we will discuss how we can style this button and make it more beautiful than all this, because we can do a lot of things with this. But note one thing: this one is the property from what? From where? From JavaScript. So to use this property from JavaScript, you must specify where you want to. You must specify is equal to along with what? Single quotation. When you use the single quotation, you can now put whatever you want to put here. The reason why it doesn't work when we use double quotation is because of this dot inside, and also because of this one is a link also. So if it will never work. In the future, we will discuss about all these things in details. So this is what I want to show you today. I hope to see you next time. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye.